Hello, it's Michael Park and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to talk to you about relationship selling versus transactional selling. Where does money come from? Money comes from people. So if you want to be great at selling, you need to be great at building relationships. Amateur salespeople think about the instant gratification. They think about what they can get out of their client. Professional salespeople think about what value they can offer. What problem can they solve for their clients? How can they build a long-term, mutually beneficial relationship? So how do I build a mutually beneficial business relationship? First off, listen. Listen to what they have to say. There's a famous quote by Bernard Baruch that goes like this. Most of the successful people I've known are the ones who do more listening than talking. Second, discover common interests. Find out what they're interested in. See if there's some commonality there and see how you can build discussions around those common interests. Third, add value. See what you can do to add value to their life, to make their job easier, to make them more successful, to help them increase their sales, to increase their productivity. Find out what value you can add. Fourth, be authentic and genuine. Have real conversations. Don't just think about always pitching them a product. Have real conversations like normal friends would do. Number 5, keep following up. This is a real key thing. Once you've established that relationship, keep it going. Keep touching base with them by phone or by email or by text and see how they're doing, see how you can help them. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please click like, comment or subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next time.